Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your Xiaomi Tab 6. So, if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So, now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps, and look for the manage apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just select it and click on install button. Tap on OK, and after that go to the app list again and look for your web browser. Open it, select the storage and choose clear data. Tap on the manage space and now choose the clear all data. Tap on OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can download it now. So give me a second. Okay, it's done, so we can open it. Tap on the get started, choose escape, continue, and close the ad. Now choose continue with ads, tap on the green circle, and tap on OK to add a permission to the files. So just do it by this switcher and go back to the app. Now the scan is in the progress, and after that your tablet should be free from notification software and other viruses. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.